So, guys, here we are trying to discuss a topic religion. So, this is one of the most controversial topics. So, let's see where it goes.
Do you have any faith or do you not?
I have faith in all type of religions. I don't concern for something, someone special religion, something
How,
kind of
how is
particular.
it possible? How is it possible? Because there are so many religions contradicting each other.
You are telling that you believe in all kind of religions, right? How is that supposed to mean?
What is the yeah?
What is the basic funda behind that?
Not basic funda because.
Actually,
because
did you know even what is Muslim?
Speak.
Ah, okay,
Let me elaborate. I generally, as per my family concern, I am a Hinduist. But I don't believe that people are, because we are, first of all, we are all human beings. First thing. That's why try to behave with each other that humanity should exist in such a way.
Yeah, that is very good point. Yeah, many of the people who have, whatever the scripture you have read, many scriptures like Christianity, scripture, Bible, and Quran, many of those contradict these things. If someone doesn't believe in that kind of faith, if I don't believe in Islam, then I am going to go to hell because because I don't believe in Islam. Is that some kind of logic? It doesn't make sense.
For your concern, just as general, I don't have a specific idea about what in Gita, what is written in the Gita, what is written in the Bible, and what is written in the Quran. That's why I generally follow what people are saying and what people behave with us. So that's love. Main thing is love. Love itself tells everything. Doesn't matter what is written in Gita or anything else. For disciplined civilization, that there has to be some rules. Yeah, that is why these rules are made in kind of such which are written in Quran, in the Gita, and Bible.
Also,
That is such
if
kind
you
of
are
rules.
considering that, I am telling you, so why Samvidhan is written, that is full of laws, and we should have to follow that. Why to follow Gita and all this?
It is written.
It itself so
It is written to what do I say? To form a well balanced
Secularism.
secular. Why is it secular? Because to treat everyone equally. Okay, that is the concept of secularism. Why is it that way? Because they wanted to treat everyone the
Equality.
same way, and they wanted to abide by some rules which can be formed to help the nation, help everyone actually. But does religion help everyone?
of course.
No. See, every big fight that has been caused, that is due to religion. If you remember the Gujarat tribe,
I think people are in being a misconception. That is why they are taking
Yeah,
it.
that is the
That is
thing.
why they are taking it as in a wrong way.
no, not that also. See, recently gay marriage. Do you know that was abolished?
Yeah.
That was allowed in previously, like 5 or 6 years back. That was allowed, and now it got revoked because some Christians didn't want that.
No, homosexuality, basically gay condition is actually
Actually, it is
those
a
have
biological
different
condition.
biological
Yeah,
scientific conditions are there, so that you will be more prone to HIV, you will be more prone to STD kind of sexual transmitted disease.
Yeah.
That's the reason why gays less. But in Indian culture, I have seen lesbians also are punished by Indian penal code. That's the thing.
Rules
Why
are
is
meant
that?
for all.
Homosexual for
Yeah, rules should be meant for everyone. Christianity and Islam both. Homosexuality is banned.
In India also Hinduism. In India,
Hindu religion.
no, not in religion. I am telling you, in Samvidhan it is written that if homosexual is an offense, if you are found with such kind of things, I have read it. I have read it. I actually, yeah. Actually, I am sorry to mention that. Actually, in sexual perversion law, Indian Penal Code, according to that, I don't remember exactly the which
Hold
part
on.
IPC.
I would mind.
What did
But
you say?
actually, on second year we have studied now FSM, forensic medicine and sciences. In there is in sexual perversion, which are incest. Incest is right. One thing, incest is not criminal in a criminalism in India.
Incest
Incest
is a
is
different
allowed
issue.
if you are found with that has so many disadvantages. That is not.
It shouldn't be discriminated as criminalism. Okay, incest or
No. The
gay
problem is
sex
with
also.
incest
That-
is not an offense, but homosexuality is an offense in Indian law. That's the main thing.
That shouldn't be offensive also.
Hmm.
Because if both the partners are willing, both the partners don't have any problem with whether what kind of risk they are going into. If they don't have any problem, no one should be having any problem. No?
Hmm.
What got us away was that constitution to follow rules, that kind of thing. But those rules were applicable at that time, and it was plausible. Okay, it wasn't plausible also, but it made sense in some way at that time because at that point people weren't educated enough. People didn't know better. That's why they used it. Okay, they used to think like that. But now for 21st century means people, we don't need that kind of rules. Why would I need someone to tell me that who do I have sex with? It's my problem who I have sex with. It doesn't matter. Why should it matter? We know by science we know that 10% of any mammals, choose any mammal, dogs, cats, elephants, whoever you choose, any mammal, 10% of them are gay. Then who are you to question biology? It's not their fault, but the religion bans it.
They are animals, we are humans.
Humans are mammals. You know that, right?
Mammals,
Humans
but-
are mammals. So they have their desire. So if you have desire of having sex with a female person and you are allowed, then why shouldn't he be or she be? She's having her desire, and why should we stop her from her desire? If you can go after your desire, why shouldn't she? There is
Everyone has their freedom.
actually.
Everyone has their freedom.
Actually, the thing is, at the end, everything is
That's the thing. At the end, all will realize what's wrong and what's right.
everything is for humanity, right?
Yeah.
We shouldn't be concerned about our faith of those ancestors who didn't know any better. Those scriptures, even the Hindu scriptures like Rigved, Yajurved, those Vedas, Vedas were written like 3,500 years ago. Okay, when colonization was starting, just booming in India. At that point, why did they write? Because they wanted to form a certain kind of rules which should let them survive in that kind of society. Okay, that's why they wrote those things. And at that time, it made sense because they didn't know that Earth was round. They didn't know that sun was not rising and setting. But
Sun was not whirling around Earth.
Yeah,
That first person, Galileo, I think, who has said Galileo
many people have
said, but he was ignored. Like,
they were ignored. Yeah, that's the thing. They were ignored.
but apparently that became correct, and
Apparently, so
after his dying,
at that point, that is the thing. People are
stupidity.
People are following those persons who didn't even know that the Earth was round. They didn't know any science, man. They didn't even know what plant grows, plant gives us oxygen, and those basics, and they didn't even know the basic things of how life works, and they taught us how to live. How does it make sense? How does it make sense to that you choose one part to believe in and other part to left out? To be left out. This is like stupid.
Ridiculous.
That's why religious ideas were at one time maybe beneficial, but now in 21st century we don't need a religion to tell us what's right versus
Establish our thoughts.
yeah. We don't need a
21st,
formal
I
religion.
think 21st century is the world of science. So
Yeah, that is the
that's
thing.
why. That's if we are believing in science, we believe in science, then we should
We
avoid
don't-
such religious facts.
You're saying it wrong.
No, we
Believe in
shouldn't.
science. Wait, that is the thing.
If we
We
believe
don't believe in science. Believe is a very big word. We don't believe in science. We know that I don't believe that moon is revolving around Earth. I know that the moon is revolving around
It is being
Earth.
verified.
Correct.
That
I explained it some other manner.
Mhm.
That's why I'm pointing the same thing, but
Mhm.
explained it wrong manner.
yeah, that this is the thing. When science explains everything, verifies it, repeats the experiment. If it is true every fucking time, then only it says, this is true. Okay. But in religion, you have to believe that. You can't question it because it's religion. Fucking God you are asking to.
In religion, no, there is no such type of thing. In all the type of religious matter, there is no proof at all. Just like chemistry.
Yeah.
You know chemistry, no? Just like chemistry.
I
There is no
will.
such kind of another proof.
It might be 10 days back. When I was in Kolkata. So they are telling that NASA has seen that bridge between Sri Lanka and India. Okay. And they are made up of CaCO3, calcium something. So they are made by Rama and Hanuman, whatever the religion says. They are arguing that. I am telling you that is the same tectonic plate, and there would be a connection. Definitely there would be a connection, man.
We can see that.
If there would be a bridge also, that would be the tectonic plate connection.
Yeah, that is the thing. Those two.
And they were large in number, so I got defeated. But this is a simple, crazy idea only.
Science.
Conclusion.
Science in itself, in place, science is correct.
Hmm.
And really, as per apart the jokes, as per religious apart, religious matter in its place, it is correct.
How?
How?
That is the thing.
Because in religious,
Why do you
just a minute, listen, please. In religious matters, we just known to a word faith, and we believe that faith.
That is the thing.
That is why. That is why those people who are having a faith.
You
in the
would
religion-
rather tell, I make my religion.
Yeah.
I believe in something. I faith on something. I
That is also corrupting.
I am what I am doing.
No.
I am what I am doing. I am what I am within inside. That's my religion. I made my religion. Not this Hindu is not my religion. Muslim is not
When
my
the question
religion.
of proof will
Islam,
come-
Christianity.
When the question of proof will come, then there will be existence of science.
Huh.
If there is a proof, then it will be science will also verify it.
We humans don't behave like one species. We behave like different people, different societies.
Homo sapiens sapiens.
Yeah.
The species name.
We are not really we are not even doing a favor by following religion. We are just following blindly anything that we want, and we are dividing with that because of that, because of our stupid beliefs. We don't unite. We don't act as one species. Like global warming, everyone is not agreeing with it. Some people are, some people aren't. But these opinions are people oriented. People are believing what they want to believe. If I want to believe in global warming, I'm believing. But it shouldn't. This complicates things.
The basic concept would be right.
We
Should be right.
We should all behave like for survival of our species and exploring bigger and bigger things. And we should be reaching outskirts of the space and everything. We should be aiming towards survival of our whole species as a whole, not just Hindus or just Christians, just of our religion.
That's the thing in religion. If
We shouldn't fight for our God. If there is a God, then we should fight for himself. Fucking he's the God, man. That is the.
He can't do everything what he wants.
He can't even fight for himself. he wants us to fight for him. What kind of logic is that?
No, actually, that was the thing. When all the religions gathered in one room, all will be contradictory to each other. But in case of science, if some Newton will come and Einstein will come, and from here Venkateswara Raman
Somewhere
will
point
go.
out God will come and he will prove himself that his existence is there.
Someday, you say,
Someday. I think you are trying to say the same way.
yeah, if God comes,
He should fight for his only existence in the
yeah,
world.
if God comes and shows us the proof, these are the evidence, you fools, you fucking fools, you morons, see these are the evidence and I exist, then I will agree, maybe. I just need one proof, you know. Every scientist needs just one proof, which can be repeated, which can be identified that, yeah, it is working correctly. Then if there is just one proof also, then every scientist will turn into a religious person. In that kind of manner. You see,
Okay.
they will believe in God. If there is just one proof, we just need one proof, but there isn't any. There isn't.
Here we are just trying to take opinion of other people's. When we were returning to our colleges, we just asked a few people around in the train. So here it goes.
What do you think about religion?
About religion,
Yeah. First of all, do you believe in religion or not?
I don't believe in religion as such,
Yes, sir.
but I do believe in the supernatural power.
Supernatural power. Yes. Yes, sir. How is that, sir? Means if you don't
See,
believe in religion.
I cannot categorize religion.
Yeah.
You believe in a God, you say.
Yes, I do believe in God. That is
Yes.
the supernatural
Yeah. That's the correct point. You believe in God, but you don't believe in those stupid things, religions which
Religions are
which
basically-
contaminate our society with those.
Religions are basically
Yeah.
what I feel. This is my
Yeah.
personal view.
Yeah.
This is basically man-made. People has created this.
जी,
They
sir.
have differentiated
Exactly,
for
sir.
for their own interest.
जी.
Right.
आप गॉड पे बिलीव करते हैं या नहीं?
बिल्कुल करते हैं, इसलिए तो बुरा काम नहीं करना चाहिए और बुरा काम से दूर रहना चाहिए।
आप हिंदू रिलीजन पे यानी बिलीव करते
एकदम नहीं, हिंदू रिलीजन पे नहीं करना।
अच्छा।
हम इंसान को इंसान समझते हैं,
अच्छा।
चाहे वो कोई भी हो, हिंदू हो, मुस्लिम हो या क्रिश्चियन हो, कोई भी हो।
You believe in God? On what consistency? On what basis?
For everything there is a creator.
You mean for everything there must be a creator, right? Yes. Do you believe in God or not?
Yes, definitely. I believe on God 101%.
Sir, on what basis?
Because every man when you gets back, how it is possible? Only by the God. And you know God is the three word, G-O-D. There are three gods, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar. One generates, one operates, one destroys. That is G-O-D.
सर आप बिलीव करते हैं सर गॉड पे, भगवान के ऊपर? सर मतलब क्यों करते हैं, कौन से बेसिस पे? मतलब आपको
दुनिया भगवान की बनाई हुई है।
डू यू बिलीव इन गॉड?
Yes, I believe in God. Believe in the God means you see, whatever you think, this is the God. Okay, some spirit. If you believe in that, then you think that your mental satisfaction will come.
But sir, do you believe exactly in Hindu religion? That is
I don't believe in any
religion, right?
One, that religion is the human.
Religion also made by government in our society. Society is made not made by God. Society is made by also God.
God पे बिलीव करते हैं? क्यों?
अभी जब मैं 3 ओकेजन पर जो काम नहीं होने वाला था
जी, आपके साथ वो हुआ है?
हाँ, मैंने उनको चैलेंज किया कि भगवान आपके लिए शक्ति है, ये नहीं रहना है, तो हो जाना चाहिए, और हो गया।
Okay, do you believe in a God? You do?
Yeah, I do.
So,
What I feel, the God
God is like it is the one who loves more than anyone in the world. I believe in God. Many people opt in different ways to reach heaven or moksha, and then the different thing, which is called religion. I don't believe that. Actually, this religion is a man-made thing.
Whether you believe in God or not. You simply don't know, sir. So why is that, sir?
Fundamentally, what you call as God is the source of creation. His idea of God has come to you because you have seen creation. You know that you didn't create it.
Yeah.
You have seen around and your father didn't create it. So you definitely know that you definitely don't know such creation. But there is a lot of creation. You are only attempting to know what is the source of creation. You can only experience. Otherwise, you will have a story. The story doesn't take you anywhere.
Believe in God. Do you believe in God? Do you believe in a religion? Do you believe in a religion? Which? The Hindu religion?
Human religion. Religion is concerned, religion made by human, not made by God. So many types for humanism based on that concept. So religion should be one. On one word, religion should be one. That is man and God has created. God has
Means
created.
you are telling that religion should be made such that means humanity should be made as a religion.
Compulsory. Yes. Everyone should feel that I am a human first. Then I am Hindu. Then I am Muslim. Then I am Sikh. That's a second.
You look, many people which we have encountered, their opinions, according many of them, majority of them, they believe in God, but actually they don't believe in religion. Alright. So that's the positive thing we get from you. You believe in something. You believe in I'm gonna pass the exam. You're gonna pass the exam, but you don't believe in such a religion that
God is going to help
makes
me.
that makes you a wrong person in humanity sense. That's the thing actually. You don't have to do the religious things that disturbs us. Yesterday
that is
one thing happened for the submersion of the Ma Durga statue. They blocked the road and they are just firing, spackling around the road and they are making so big traffic. That is not needed. You don't need to dance for pleasuring God or anything. One Hindu guy told the Muslim guy, they both are secular, but the Hindu guy told the Muslim guy that you not belong to this country, you go away. That's what happens when religious belief enter into our true identity, right? Actually, religious is such a kind of thing that religion says our religion is correct, but other religions are Western. That's the main thing. So that is explaining in that way. When you believe in religion, you have to deny all religions, all other religions. So you would have to tell that no, you are not correct. Your religion is not correct. So that's what religion tells. So I just wanted to say you believe in God, but you don't believe in religion that will affect others. You don't have to affect others. You don't have to hamper others' work, or you don't have to do such kind of stupidity. Alright. So that's the positive thing about this blogging is you believe in yourself, and your God might be. Yes, there might be God. You believe in that. But you don't have to interfere with others.